I'm filming now.
Okay, here we have that Milton Bradley thing, MB Electronics. There's SB 450 on the side. Space Bird something. Okay, ready? Turn the switch on. Jiggle it a little bit. It may not have a fresh battery in it, but anyway, once you get it going, can you get closer and get the sound? It's level. You can hear the sound go down. Up. Until it goes up. And back down. Lasers work. Lights work. So it goes up. Keeps going up, high pitched. Reaching the stratosphere. Oh my gosh, here it goes. And now we're gonna land. So the switch might need cleaned, but you can see that it stays on pretty good, but when you first turn it on, it takes a second to get it going. See how it's working? Shaking it. Turn it off. We'll try to turn it back on again. It's just the switch. Once you get it in the right place, it works fine. Good part to a nice, cool spaceship thing.
Really. But just so you know, there isn't actually sound in space.
But we have to have sound in the film because...
Just because the spaceship makes sound doesn't mean there's sound in space.